popular X effect on your sides of your tables or consoles. Let me show you how I do it. So start by laying out a board across both corners, longer length than the length of the actual frame, and then with your pencil just mark off where they line up at the edges. Once you do that, get your bevel gauge and line that up with the line that you just drew. Try to make it as exact as possible, tighten it up, and now you can use that to set up your saw. So now at the saw, again, here's where you set that up. You line it up with your back plate. You bring my blade down, and I will rotate so that that bevel is flush with the blade at that specific angle. Then you just lock down the saw, and you're ready to cut. I found on this one I was actually doing it from the wrong angle. I had to turn it to the other way, the other side, lined it up again, and was ready to cut. And you do the same on the other side, and you check to make sure that you've got it right, make it as snug as possible. It's always easier to cut a little longer and have to sneak up on it than it is to cut it too short. So once you've got both your boards cut, you want to mark off in the middle where they intersect so that you now can get that angle. And again, with your sliding bevel gauge, you just line that up, and now you know where to cut. And this I used my hand saw because the angle was so sharp that my miter saw wouldn't accommodate that angle. So I decided it'd be best just to use a hand saw. And there you have it, your perfect X for your